Hello, my name is Brehon and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Well, not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Good morning, family. I'd like to say happy Monday to you. I hope you had a great weekend and I hope your week is phenomenal. Look, last week we had the jobs report come out. We had the passing of the stimulus bill. So we had a lot of great news in the market, and the market reacted really, really nicely. And um so Friday, you just look at it, across the stock market, you had such great news. You had just beautiful formations of of these candlesticks. And today, I'm bullish on IMMR. It's a very, very young company, only 26, 27 million shares outstanding. I plan on being with them for the long haul, and I don't want to talk about all the great things they got coming down the pipeline, but I can mention a few things. They do the haptic technology, all of the technology for that go inside of the PS5 controllers. There's a possibility that they may get the contract to do Microsoft Xbox controllers. They have deals coming down the pipeline where they're going to be doing the the LCD screens, or the all of the technology, touchscreen technology for automobiles in Korea, and they just have just an amazing team. I've done the research. If you get a chance, go check out some of the old videos. Go to their website. Just check out what they have going on. But today, I just want to talk about the technicals. Okay. Now, on Friday, we had a nice candle develop. All right, and again, I am a firm believer of how these candlesticks develop. They give you a great indicator of the forward movement, or the potential forward movement of the stock. All right, now this last candle here is what we call the Dragonfly Doji. All right, as you can see, we have a very, very small body with long wicks. All right, so this is what we call the Dragonfly Doji. Now, at the top of an uptrend, or the bottom of a downtrend, the Dragonfly Doji could signal that there may be a reversal in pattern. All right, now when we take a look at the Dragonfly's development, we can see that it opened at 960. The bears came rushing in and they pushed the price down to 865. All right. The bulls came back in and they pushed the price up to $10.08. But then the bears came back in and they pushed the price down to 965. So basically, the bulls and the bears, they fought to a standstill. All right. Not much happened with the movement of the price. The bulls and the bears fought to an even stance. All right. Even stance. So we do have a slightly green candle. So we could say that the bulls had a very, very, very slight edge, to the day. But for the most part, it was a standstill of a day. All right. But what we don't have is continued downward movement. All right. The bulls and the bears. The bulls are fighting to stop this downward trend. All right. So that's what we had. And what some traders do is, when they see the development of this candle, they check for the following candle. So if the following candle is trading above this doji, or closing above this Dragonfly Doji, they may look for an opportunity, jump in, add to their position, or play some call options and ride this thing on up. All right. Now, let's take a look where on the chart we can see that there were times where doji candles happened, but the following candles failed to respond. All right. So let's take a look at this candle here. Nice doji candle. green doji. Actually, we had two. We had a doji candle right here. And again, nothing is always guaranteed. All right, nothing is guaranteed. So we had a doji candle here, and we stated, hey, if the following candle is trading above or close above, this may be a good opportunity to jump back in, right? So we jumped. So we saw here there's another doji candle. All right. So as the day ended, we were trading above the wick of this candle here. All right. So we take a look at it. Did we reach above this? Let me see here. Let me confirm it before I put some verbiage out there. Let me confirm. No. So this candle was not trading above. So I'm sorry, this candle did not trade above the wick of this candle. All right. So it did not trade above this candle. So it did not present an opportunity to jump into the stock. So we take a look at the next day, another doji candle. Again, we are licking our chops because we know that at the bottom of a downtrend, there may be an opportunity to jump in and ride this thing back up. But what did we wait for? We wanted to see if the following candle was trading above this doji candle or closing above this doji candle. And what happened? No, it failed to respond. We had more further movement down to the downtrend. All right, so again, what do we have? Further downward movement. And now we have the Dragonfly Doji. What we want is the following candle to be trading above $10.06 or to close above $10.06. All right. That will give us a strong indication that a reversal of pattern is on the way. And again, nothing is guaranteed. All right. So we could have a down day. We could have a great day today. Then we have two bullish days on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Tuesdays and Wednesdays haven't been good to us. They haven't been good to us. We do have the inflation report coming out on March 10th. Now the inflation report, if it comes out that inflation is going to rise at a certain level, that could create a huge sell-off that could create more red days into the market. All right, so be careful, do some research, take a look at the inflation report, do some research on how it may impact you, how it may impact us, how it may impact the overall market. All right, but I wanted to talk to you today about the Dragonfly Doji. Now, I hope this video added a little bit of value to you. Now, if it did, this is your first time checking me out, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace. Now, hope you learned a little bit about candlesticks. Hope you learned a little bit about the Pearson pattern. Yeah, if you did, hey, please leave a like. Hey, if this is your first time checking me out, hit the subscribe button and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.